Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. So this is Lenovo Legion 5 laptop motherboard and it does not power on. Today I will try to fix this board. So let's try to fix it. So this is the motherboard part number, as you can see here, NM-D281. This is Lenovo Legion 5 laptop motherboard. And first of all, I will check the main power rail impedance in this motherboard. So I set my multimeter in beep mode. And first I will check from this CLR. As you can see here, two MOSFET. This is the charging port here. This is the fuse and first MOSFET and second MOSFET. So I will check in this CLR. So as you can see, there is no beep or not showing any value. That means the main power rail is clear. There is no short circuit. Next impedance I will check in 3 volt and 5 volt always power. So we can see here two coils. This big one, this is the 5 volt and this is the 3 volt. Might be, I don't know. So as you can see here, this also clear and this also clear. So main power rail 3 volt always and 5 volt always power rail is clear. There is no short circuit. Now I will plug in and I will check some required voltage in this motherboard. So it's plugged in here, and first of all I will check the CLR voltage, it's okay or not. So as you can see, there is no CLR voltage. That means the main power rail is not available in this whole motherboard. So before check anything, I will visual inspection whole motherboard under my microscope. Try to find out any burning sign or liquid damage, corrosion, and anything. So let's turn on my microscope here. So everything looks good. So one more thing I can check here, the LDO line. Here you can see this is a 3 volt and 5 volt regulator IC here, and PJ2001 here, and I can check here. It's giving beep, as you can see, and here it's giving beep. That means this line is short to ground. And I need to check so here you can see the board view for this model. PJ2001. So I can check here. Yes, this is the LDO line. You can see plus 3 volt LDO. So this line showing short to ground. So this is the IO controller, and I can see something. So we can see this IO controller has blown here. So we already find out our main problem. So first of all, I will replace this IO controller, and then I will check. This is the most common problem in this Legion series. I have already fixed a lot of laptop this series. Most of laptop was this IO controller long. You can see here. This is the IT 8227192. Okay. So I see already removed, as you can see here. Now I will check the LDO line again. I'll check here again, and as you can see, there is no more beep. That means this line is clear now. Now I can replace the SIO again here. So let's clean this area first. This is the easiest way and safe way to change SIO without hot air gun, just with soldering iron. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's good. So this list is done. Now I will plugged in and I will check. First plugged in. Okay, as you can see, the light is glowing and we have stellar voltage. I will check the display only. Plugged in. Yes, it's done. We just changed the SIO and it's turned on again. So you have display. So I hope you all are enjoyed this video. If you like this video, so please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon if you already subscribed my channel. Thank you so much.